Good afternoon, sir. Myself, P. Sai Kumar. I am pursuing third year in Savita Engineering College. Now, the topic is about electronic products. Electronic products play a vital role in our daily life. For example, electronic products which we use in our daily life are TVs, refrigerators, ACs, mobile phones, washing machines, computers, laptops, and etc. Without a electronic product, our life does not go nowadays. Let's get into the topic. Introduction of electronic products. Electronic product is introduced in 1957. The magazine was owned and published by Business Media until Feb 2015 when Arrow Electronics acquired the magazine and publishes it under AspenCore Media, reaching over 1,20,000 electronic engineers and other in the trade across the United States since 1997. The magazine has offered the Product of the Year award. Electronic products provide information on new products from the smallest capacitor to brightest light emitting diode LED. There are several electronic products. From that I have chosen air conditioner. Air conditioner is most essential electronic product in some summer days. Now, inputs of air conditioners. In AC, there are some of the devices which would act as input device, buttons, control dials, etc. On air conditioner, house in push buttons on the remote control. Based on the remote control, we are able to give the inputs from the air conditioner. We may have to control the temperature by using the remote control to fill the room temperature. Air conditioner can give the fresh air to our room surroundings and also keep the room cool. Control dials are used to keep the AC refresh and cool. Now output. There are some output devices that helps to get inside air to go out. A sound emitter to go beep and LED lights are used as output device. Sometimes an LCD or similar display panel acts as a output devices in the sense another output in air, but that may not be what the question is really asking for. I would be inclined to inclined not to include that as an output of the device since it's more than the main function of the device. Now let's get into the working of air conditioner. Working of air conditioner is similar to that of refrigerator. Refrigerator works on the principle of thermodynamics. Air conditioner use refrigerator to chill indoor air, taking advantage of remarkable physical law. When a liquid converts to a gas called phase conversion, absorbs heats. Air conditioner exploit this feature of phase conversion by forcing special chemical compounds to evaporate and condense over and over again. When hot air flows over the cold low pressure evaporate coils, the refrigerant inside absorbs the heat as it changes from liquid to gas. To keep cooling efficiency, the air conditioner has to convert the refrigerant gas back to liquid gas. To do that, the compressor puts the gas under high pressure process that creates unwanted heat. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.